Quit. Calm down. Not the end of the world, bud. You're fine. Hey, isn't it nice? You're okay. Hey, there's absolutely nothing wrong with you. Maybe your attitude. Done?